All-in-One to Succeeding at the Piano, Book 1A, page 24. Let's listen. Here's Papa Haydn. He's thinking about the student and how the student is playing those two exercises differently. We have some written work for the student to do. So the idea of writing in the names of the notes so that the fingers and the hand is always moving up. And then how is this different? Okay, so we can ask our students questions. Which one was legato? Which one was staccato? What do we call this kind of legato? When we hear only two notes at once in a pattern. Oh yeah, those are two-note slurs. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And when students are in Succeeding at the Piano from the very beginning, that dropping motion followed by the rolling motion is so simple for them. And that's the perfect sound that we want for that touch release. Did you hear and feel the difference between staccato and legato? Good questions to ask our students. Then there's a piece by Kevin Costley called Hiccup. Don't look down, don't look up. If you do, you'll hiccup. Squeeze your nose, cross your toes. That will stop your hiccup. The lyrics in Succeeding at the Piano are just fantastic. Practice steps, tap and count out loud, whisper the rest, play and count. Okay, so once the students have tapped and count out loud and then they play, they're starting to play, I think actually I would have the students find that very last C on the piano and have them practice that move by play, prepare, practice strategy, just to be sure. The Minuet is on page 25. Here we see some lovely dancers from the 1600s dancing the minuet. At the top of the piece, there's a little asterisk, and it says, look for your 8 hills. So those 8 lovely knuckles that form a beautiful hand position and a natural C shape between fingers 1 and 2. It all always boils down to that beautiful, natural, and healthy, body-friendly technique. Practice steps, tap and count out loud again. Oh my gosh, we just have to make this so exciting for our students. Oh, I can't wait to hear you tap and count out loud. I'll tap and count out with you. How about if I tap the left hand, you tap the right hand? Oh my goodness, all kinds of different ways to get the students to really enjoy internalizing the rhythm and plan the two-note slurs and the dynamics. So you can have the students play all the different two-note slurs. And at the end is the left hand. Oh my goodness. One of your keen students might say, I see a 3-note slur in measure 8. You're so right. So let's drop into the keys, keep dropping, and then the moment they play the last key, they roll forward and off the keys. So this piece goes like this. And perfectly timed so that the wrists roll forward and off the keys together at the same time at the end. Isn't that a lovely, elegant piece in 3/4 time? And the tempo says gracefully. And we definitely can have our students listen to that, think about being a dancer way back in the 1600s with their big wigs on and lots of clothing and being very elegant with their dance partner.